Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to our respected lecturers. We are from team PBL TRPL 211 here to present our project titled EcoEnzyme website application. So before we start, I'd like to introduce our team members. First one is me, Arshafil Afisharin. As the team leader, I work as the database designer and backend programmer. Next,
Muhammad Arif Abdullah, my role is database design and front-end programmer.
I am Stephen Kumala. I am the quality assurance and front-end programmer.
And I am Muhammad Fauzi Rizaldi. I am is a quality assurance and UI UX design.
And I am Tarita Aurelia Marsim as business analyst and backend programmer.
And I am Agnes Nadia Salahi as UI UX designer and front-end programmer.
first off, I will explain about the general description of our project. Our project is called EcoSense. EcoSense is a web-based platform that provides users with information about EcoEnzyme and enables participation in the Waste Bank program. It allows users to access educational content, register as members, and deposit waste to earn points, which can be redeemed for EcoEnzyme products. The platform supports waste banks managers in handling waste deposits and managing products, while admins oversee system operations and user data. EcoSense aims to reduce waste and provide both economic and environmental benefits to the community.
Okay, so this is our functional requirements. We have implemented a few, and one of them is the first functional, which is the customer, waste bank managers, and admins can log in. Most of these haven't been implemented, but we'll be implementing them soon. And next one is customers can apply to become a waste bank. And there's a third implemented functional is admins can verify customer applications to become a waste bank. And these non-functional requirements will be explained by my teammate.
Okay, this is non-functional requirement. First, security. The system must have user authentication and authorization features. User data must be encrypted. Performance. The system response time must be under 3 seconds for every user request. The system must be able to handle at least 1,000 users simultaneously. Availability. The system must have a minimum uptime of 90% per year. Portability. The system must be able to run on desktop browsers. User-friendly. The user interface must be intuitive and easy to use.
This is our use case diagram. The system, customer log into the waste apps, manage their profile, then deposit waste into the waste bin to earn points that can be used to buy exams or Sembako product by using the mode of payment method. The waste bin manager hosts waste debt, covers weight into points, manage product, and provides payments. The admin is in charge of managing user debt, obstacles, and events, as well as providing the application of customer who want to become waste bank managers. In addition, our user and interact with article and events available and the platform.
And so this is our ERD. This ERD is built around a central user entity. User can interact with articles and product, each supported by their own image management system. The database handles transaction with multiple payments method, integrates a point reward system. All entities feature proper timestamps and maintain data integrity through well-defined relationship. While the feedback system enables user engagement across both article and products.
And the next is a table structure. The first table structure is a product, and primary key is a table structure is a article, and primary key is a article ID, and foreign key is user ID. Next, table article gambar, and primary key is gambar.id, and foreign key is article.id. The next feedback primary key is feedback ID, and foreign key is user ID dan article ID. And next is lokasi. Primary key is a lokasi ID, and next point primary key is a point ID, and foreign key is user ID and lokasi ID. And the next is product. Primary key is product ID, and foreign key is user ID. And next is product gambar.id is primary key is product ID is foreign key, and the last is transaksi. Primary key transaksi ID, and foreign key is user ID, lokasi ID, and product ID.
Okay, so before we end our presentation, this is the documentation of our activities throughout the weeks of making this project. This is us working with our project manager and some lectures as well. Okay, so that is all from our presentation. Thank you for listening and tuning in. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.